I'm going to take the tire pressure here on the 2011 E350 Mercedes. First, what you want to do is take your key and you want to turn it to all the way on. Okay, once you turn it on, as you can see, it's showing the tire pressure here, but let's go back to the home screen, the first page. Just hit this back button right here. And just keep hitting it until you get right here. You see I'm still hitting as far as it'll go. Once you do that, you want to come right here and go all the way over until you see service. And you hit enter. And then once you hit enter, you go down till you see tire pressure. Then hit enter and it shows you your pressure. And you notice that when we looked on the side here on the car, it tells you all the pressures, and these pressures are really off. So I'm gonna put some more air in the tire, and you see my Stanley Fatback. I'm gonna use it, and it's really awesome. You probably want to purchase one of those. I've had mine for about a month now, and I've used it a few times to boost my truck and also to put air in my tires. So if we go back again and you see message, let's go up and see what the message is saying. Oh, it's telling me that I need some air in my tires, so they're low. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the tires up to the proper PSI, and I'm gonna show you the reading afterwards.
All right, I'm gonna put some pressure in the front and rear tires. The front tire should be 36, but I'm gonna set it at 38 PSI. And this Stanley Fatback is awesome. I would recommend that everybody get one of these. I'm gonna get my daughter, wife, and my son one to keep in their vehicles in case they need to get a boost or in case they need to put air on their tire. As you can see, after it reaches pressure, it automatically turn off. I'm gonna give you a better example here on the rear tire. I'm gonna set it at 48. It should be set at 46, but I set it 2 PSI higher. The first thing you wanna do is turn it on. And then once you hit the compressor, just go up to what PSI you want. I'm gonna turn this one up to 48. And right now you see it's 29.5, so you hit start. That's all you have to do. And once it gets to 48, it's gonna automatically shut itself off. As you can see, it's at 47.7.9. You saw that it idled down, and that's it. And if you want to know how to use this compressor, look in my description or go to my website in the top right. So once we got all the pressures filled, I'm gonna recheck it and see if everything's okay. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna go to the service as we did before in the beginning. I'm gonna go back to my home. Just hit this backspace button and it'll take you all the way to home. And then what you want to do is go here to the right and go to service. Once you hit service, go to tire pressure and hit tire. And there you go. That's the tire pressure right there. The front two, one's 37, one's 36, and the back is 47, 47. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.